Ohio homeowners pay $1,200 a year for insurance and think they're getting a deal. They are. But here's what that cheap price is hiding. Your basement's about to flood. Your tornado coverage might leave you short, and you have no idea because the policy looks fine on paper. By the time we're done here, you'll know exactly why Ohio rates are so low, what tornado exposure actually looks like in your state, and the specific coverage gap that blindsides more Ohio homeowners than I can count. This takes 3 minutes. Start with the good news. Ohio averages around 1,000 to 1,200 a year because the state actually has a favorable risk profile. No hurricanes. Rebuild costs are lower here than they are in Florida or California. We're talking 130 to 160 per square foot versus 180 to 220 in expensive metros. You've got genuine competition among carriers, which keeps prices honest. That's real. You're not being shortchanged on rate. Problem is that cheap price can make you skip the details that matter. Here's what people miss. Ohio isn't Kansas, but it's also not safe. The 2019 outbreak put multiple EF4 tornadoes through the Dayton area, over $1 billion in damage. Your standard policy covers tornado damage, wind, debris, structural damage. The issue is coverage limits. If a tornado destroys your house and your dwelling limit's 20 grand, short of what a rebuild costs, that gap is yours. Extended replacement cost coverage, an endorsement that adds 20 to 25% above your limit, is worth the pennies it costs. Now, the thing that actually blindsides people, standard homeowners insurance does not cover water intrusion from heavy rain. Columbus gets 39 inches a year. Cincinnati gets 42. When it rains hard, water seeps through foundation, cracks, backs up from floor drains, or comes in through window wells. Not covered. You need a sewer and water backup endorsement. And in my agency, I see this gap cause real problems when people don't have it. It's not expensive. It's one of the smartest $30 or $40 a year you can spend. Here's the mistake I see constantly. Homeowners assume that because their rate is low and their agent said the policy looks good, they're covered for everything that could actually happen. Low rates don't mean complete coverage. They mean favorable risk in some areas and blind spots in others. You need to specifically ask about extended replacement cost and sewer backup coverage. Don't assume it's there. If you want to make sure your Ohio home insurance actually covers what you think it covers,